Okay, so if you are watching this now, this is the first video that you have seen of mine. Welcome. I want to introduce myself. My name is Alex Branning. I'm showing 15 keys from the Alex Hormozi book, $100 million Leads book, how to use it as an insurance agent. Alex Hormozi is not personally involved in this project. I'm pulling some keys out and I'm sharing how to apply them to your business as an insurance agent. So I have gone over I think this is number 10 right now, actually. So we are talking about lead getters. These are people that are going out and getting leads for you and bringing them to you on a silver platter. Yesterday, we talked about how to look at leads and the various platforms that there are, all the methods that you can use to attract people in, and the mediums that you can use as well, like video, long form content, etc. Let's talk about lead getters. This is one of those things that can give you an exponential growth in your business when you understand this concept and start to use it. So let's go over the four different boxes here. What are the lead getters? Who are the people going out there and bringing you clients and serving them to you on a silver platter? Number one is your customers. If you are not properly leveraging your customers, then you're leaving a lot of new business on the table because your customers have other people in their peer network that you can serve. Birds of a feather flock together. So if you work with the customer, let's say you're an insurance agent, you specialize in property and casualty, and you start working with someone and you're able to insure their home and cars. Well, guess what? They probably hang out with other people that have a similar net income, similar family situation. They know people that are a great fit for you to serve and support. If you do not have a good referral system in place, you're leaving money on the table. Affiliates, that's the next one over there. Affiliates. If you don't have someone who is incentivized monetarily to go out and find you some new customers, these are typically people who are, I call them allies. These are people that serve your customers, but they're in a different business than you. So they are in business and they expect a monetary reward for bringing you business. And so, for example, if you're an insurance agent, and you work with a CPA, you say, hey, if someone comes in, they need life insurance, please refer them out to me. And if they sign up, I'll give you $150 or whatever that looks like to you. Set up those affiliate partnerships so that you have people that are actively listening and looking for cues so that they can send people to you. Other lead getters are your employees. You should have revenue generating employees on staff, people who go out there and, they're doing outreach, they're reaching out. Maybe they're doing outreach to your current clients and just they know what to ask for referrals. Maybe they're in cold outreach for you and trying to get on the phone with businesses or individuals that are a good fit for you. But you should have revenue generating employees. Last thing is agencies. These agencies they're literally built to be able to identify and find people who are a good fit for you. They're usually paid on a retainer. You could also have a pay per performance model, but either one, whatever works best for you in your situation, go and get those folks. You should have 4 lead getters in your business. You should have customers sending you referrals. You should have affiliates who are listening for cues and sending you their customers. You should have employees that are revenue generating activities every single day. And you should have agencies that you're paying where you have certain expectations for the number of clients that they are bringing you in on a regular basis. These are the 4 lead getters for your business. And you should definitely take action right now. Write down, okay, who is the one lead getter that I need to add to my business? You should have all 4, but let's start one at a time. Who's the one lead getter that I should add to my business right now? Who is that person and what am I going to do to help them get set up?
Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branning here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branning, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.